Eduardo. Eduardo, ikaw ba ay may asawa na? Pinapanood na kita. Ang lakas ng loob, ha? Maliit na natin dalawa. Batang maliit ka pa nun, ha? Hindi talaga. Hindi ka patulinon. Sabi mo, batang maliit ka eh. Siguro hindi ba? Sige. Kung napapanood mo ako nung maliit ka, ano ang napanood mo ang pelikula ko? TV. Anong TV ang napanood mo? Anong doon? Anong palabas? Gisera to. Pero mo, maliit pa lang ako, napapanood na kita, pero wala siyang matandaan. Sige nga, pabibigyan kita, Eduardo. Tama. Sige. Hi sir, good evening. Pero naman, wag mong ganyanin. Ay, taga-dental, ano nga, Chuba? My love there? Is he there? Oh, he's not here? Oh, what a shame! Why is he not here? Ito po ay nagtatrabaho sa dental.
Friends of the dental.
Yan. Yung pong may-ari nito at yung dentista doon, yun po ang bago kong my love. Kaso, chika-chika lang, hindi naman totoo. Hinaharap-harap ko lang. Pero wala nga daw siya dito, sayang. Sana isa siya nandito. Ilan taon ka na ko yan? 61. May asawa? Wala po. Bakit po? Ayaw niyo po? Sige, alam ko na po yan. Naiintindihan po kita. Hello! How are you? Dora the Explorer. May lang. May nagpa-picture na sa akin kanina, di ba? Yes. Ikaw din ba? Maliit ka ba lang? Pinapanood mo na ako?
Pero marami akong pelikula.
Yes. Ano pa?
Parang sa Shake Rattle ng Nobel.
Yeah, ayun. Talaga tama. Naiintindihan mo, ha? Makinig ka.
Correct.
Shake Rattle. Makinig ka, pero malapit siya.
Kaya si Mendoza.
Yeah. Ayan, totoo yan. Maraming salamat. Ikaw ba kasama mo dito ang iyong may bahay, girlfriend?
Ako, yun nga ang problema. Release ang Panarayman.
Wala. Okay lang. Gusto mo talaga, single lang. Single residence. Sige. Ito bigay natin. Kamusta ka na? Okay lang. Okay lang. May nahimatay ka na dyan. Ano ka ba? Diba? Ano ka dito? Mel. Sige. Ito si Mel. Panapan ko to. Sir, good evening, sir. How are you, sir? Sir, hello? Yes, I know how to speak English. Even though I don't look like, but I know how to speak English. Don't worry. How are you, sir? I'm yes. Before a name, now a legend. Tomorrow a superstitious belief. Can you speak louder, sir?
Translate.
Can you speak louder, sir?
No, can you speak louder?
I can speak. I'm not on drugs, sir. I'm not on drugs. I'm in a normal situation. Okay, you too. Your wife is there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have children?
No.
No children. Okay. What else? Do you love pancit?
Yes.
Okay. Adobo?
Yes.
What else? Lumpiang Shanghai?
Yes.
Oh, is that lumpiang Shanghai?
I got you.
Or is that lumpiang sariwa? Lumpiang sariwa!
No comment.
Oh, no, Moment! I saw you. Oh, you're intelligent. Yeah, because lumpiang sariwa is long, but like that.
No, never.
No, I'm not saying that to you. I'm saying to the lumpia. Lumpiang sariwa is long, but a little small. Oh. But lumpiang Shanghai, like the Filipinos, small, but tough.
No lip.
What?
No lip.
No lip. Yes. But sometimes they are small,
Yes.
but they're tough. Pwede na rin.
And they do the trick.
What?
And they do the trick.
What?
Sometimes small is good.
Yeah! Small is good. You will have cover. If it's small, it says gas. Gas.
Yes.
Because it's small. Oh, you enter, there's air. Okay? Okay now. You did no air.
No comment.
Ah,
Ask the girlfriend.
ang cute. Oy, ask the girlfriend daw. Ate, malayo ba to? Pwede, pwede. Oh, daw, yes. Oh, your girlfriend said yes. I think she's very happy. She's like this.
Wider.
Wider?
Yes.
Ang bastos mo, kuya. Sabi nila, bastos ako. Ayun. Wider. Okay, dance Okay. Oh, ito muna. Oh, magda-dance tayo Magda-dance. Oh, ganito yung dance Oh, tingnan niyo ako You learn from me, okay? Look at me. Look at me first. And then one by one. Okay, look at me first. Okay, music please. Madali lang. Stop. O, ikaw muna dito. Eduardo. Ang batang maliit. Eduardo, ang batang maliit. O, nakita mo na. O, pagalingan na. Either mananalo tayo sa pamamagitan ng walampakan nila, sa pamamagitan ng ganito, or ng ganyan. Okay? So, galingan mo. Kung di man dito, galingan mo sa ganun. Ha? O, ganyan ha. Umiikot-ikot na ganyan. Mahawa ka pa doon. Kaya yun. Ready? Go! Ito na! pesos. Okay lang, Nay. Ano rin yun? 400 ay 40. $40, di ba? Tama ba? Oo. 43. Oo, sige. Pwede na yun. Kape. Okay lang yan. O, sige. Let's go. Thank you so much. Papa! Papa, it's your turn. You can dance. I will dance for you. Okay. You watch, but you do this. Yeah. You know, I've been doing like this. Okay? Okay. Move forward. Yes. Stay. Parang sugal yun, no? Stay. Okay? Are you sure? Like this, you hold the mic.
You're forcing her.
Yeah, I thought I'd be falling. No, I thought I'd be falling down. Okay? You know, it's like London Bridge. It's falling down. What? Yeah, but George is getting up. Are you sure? Again! Remember, it's lumpia. Lumpiang ubod. Sa pamamagitan ng inyong palakpakan, ay malalaman na natin kung sino ang first prize at second prize. Yung iba, ano kaya bibigyan ko sa kanila? Meron naman ako dyan $5. $5 na. Kunin mo nga sa wallet ko. Yung $5. Oo. Hindi yan premium yan yung first prize, second prize eh. Okay. Dito po kay Edgardo, palakpakan! Wow! May funds ka pa niyan ha? Ito ang ating, Vic! Kay Vic! Palakpakan lang ha, palakpakan, walang sigawan. Okay, dito muna tayo kay Edgardo! Kasasabi niya, ito talaga mga Pilipino na to, hindi marunong sumunod talaga eh. Kasasabi ko lang, palakpakan lang, walang sigawan eh. Palakpakan kay Edgardo! Kay Vic! Kay Bella! Kay Bella! Ulit, hindi ko narinig. Paterno! And our Mr. Lupiang! Oh, you're a winner. You. Okay, where's the prize? Come. Oh, there's the prize. yaman. Ay, ito na. Siya 1,000 pesos. Siya the winner. Pinasok na yung 1,000. Para sa second prize. Hati sila ng third. Second prize. Sino ba yung third prize? Ito. Ito, third prize. Okay, hati ko doon. Ayun. Ano yun yan? Kunin mo yung 500 ko doon. Punitin mo. Huwag naman! Hindi mo, meron yan sa 500. Ito, sa mga hindi nanalo, ay makakatanggap ng $5. For the last